Peace. What's going on, crew? It's your boy Serrano, and today we're going to take a look at the 2.0 Smart IR remote. Now, this is going to give us the ability to control our electronics using our smart device, Apple or Android. You can see right here it says Smart Remote. You can see right here it does say Android/iPhone or IP for short. On the back, you do get the app that you need to scan your QR code. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take a look at this packaging and see if it's actually worth the purchase. Stay tuned. But first, right here, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So let's go ahead and pull out this little plastic part right underneath here. So we're just gonna do this one-handed. And we got the mic in my other hand, and then right here you can see there's no instructions because it's going to be located on the QR code right here. So we're going to go ahead and I'll be right back. But first, you can see right here when we do take this out of the plastic, you can see right here it's going to go into that 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So this is going to be a really nice accessory for anybody who is pretty much looking to turn their phone into a remote controller. So right here you can see there is the 3.5 millimeter jack. Right here at the top you can see the IR blaster. So this thing is going to be pretty cool. Let's go ahead and test it out. And first we're going to go ahead and scan the QR code so we can actually get that started. And we're going to be able to get the application up and running. So first, let's go ahead and put the QR scanner directly to that that little the QR bar, and basically just wait like a few seconds there, and then it's going to give you a website that you can actually go to. And so basically what it is that this website is going to take you directly to the app that you need. And so the application that we need is called Remote Master, and it's actually under 30 megabytes. So it's not going to be too, big or anything. But right here, you're going to locate the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and just make sure that the Smart IR Remote 2.0 goes all the way down in there, so there's no gap. Then select IR 2.0 remote and go to the top right hand corner where you're going to be greeted with a myriad of options. Click the one that says TV, or depending on what electronics you're connecting, you're going to choose that one. Then actually make your way down to your model, which is going to be the Toshiba. So after we select the model, it's going to connect our smart device to our TV, which is cool.
So this thing is actually pretty cool. So basically right here you can click edit if you've added multiple remotes right here, and then basically click edit, boom, and then you can delete the remotes. Done. Also, let me see, I'm trying to zoom in here so you can actually see what I'm doing. And then right here we're gonna long press this to get to our control panel, which will give us volume. And that actually works. You can see the volume bar going up across the screen, which is really cool. And you do get this option right here for video mode, so you can actually adjust the settings and you can exit out of that. So this is actually really cool. There's power, you got home page right here, signal. Oh wow, so you can actually change the input from here, which is dope. Boom. So HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and then I'm gonna connect it to, so yeah, that's the one for my Xbox right here. And then yeah, so this is full-fledged remote right here. This product definitely works, and you can definitely set up your remote controller to control your TV, because that's what I'm doing right now. Got the volume up and down, channels. I don't have cable in here. I really just use this for streaming on my Xbox and stuff like that for free, because we cut the cord and the cable's in the living room. And I'm sorry for the focus hunting right here. Let me just put this down. But yeah, so this little IR blaster piece right here actually works. Let's go back to the unboxing station. Okay, so the verdict on the 2.0 Smart IR remote is that it's absolutely amazing. For the price, it works beautifully, and I didn't have any problems connecting it. It was really easy to set up, and I was actually able to control my TV, and I could set up anything I wanted to with that IR blaster. So I could definitely recommend the 2.0 Smart IR remote. You could check the link down below if you'd like to pick up this device for under $5, not to mention, and turn your device into your main remote controller for your living room, bedroom, anything like that. This thing could control anything with that IR technology, so VCRs, amps, like DVRs, anything electronics wise. But I hope you guys found this video helpful. It's your boy Serrano. Thank you for subscribing. I wanted to wish you guys a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Peace, crew.